Hey, we're happy you stopped in on this episode of Blade Runner Tool Sharpening Before and After. I appreciate that. Lady just brought me this really beautiful custom knife made by Gary Little up in Oregon. Gorgeous handle work. The bolster work is supreme on this thing. The metal is just really nice metal in this thing. She just wants to sharpen it up. There's nothing to clean up. Beautiful handle work on there. I think it's like a bird's eye maple or something, but it's a burl. Just gorgeous work. So what we're going to do, we're just going to sharpen it up, and we'll show you our results when we return. Hey, we appreciate you hanging in on this episode of Blade Runner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. That custom knife made by Gary Little up in Oregon, well, I did finish that up. This thing, like I said, this thing is just beautiful all the way around. Really nice metal in it. Wow, I could not believe it. I only sharpened it, didn't have to clean it or anything. It was a beautiful shape to start with. That is what makes the world go round here, Blade Runner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, give us a like and share our Facebook page, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, with Blade Runner, there is never a dull moment.